In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the header on your Wix site. Whether you're looking to create a minimalist design or just want a different look for your site, removing the header can be a key step. So let's dive right in and help you achieve that streamlined appearance. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website editor. To do this, log into your Wix account and select the website you wish to edit. This will bring you into the editor, the central hub where you can customize every aspect of your site. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Pages and Menu. This section allows you to manage different pages of your website, including their layout and settings. It's like a directory for your site's sections, and it's where we'll start the process of deleting the header. Now click on Home or whichever page you're interested in modifying. This will highlight that particular page and bring up additional options for customization. Next, you'll need to locate the three dots next to the page name, which typically indicates more or additional settings. Clicking on this brings up a new menu with several options. It might seem a bit tucked away, but these dots give you access to more advanced settings for your page. Once you open that menu, proceed by clicking on Settings. This option brings forth a range of configuration possibilities for your specific page. It's essential to explore these settings to understand how your page functions and what changes you can make. From the Settings menu, you'll need to select Layout. This tab lets you alter how various elements are presented on your page, offering different design formats to better suit your needs. Finally, look for the option labeled No Header and Footer. By selecting this, you instruct the editor to remove the default header and footer sections from your chosen page. This option is perfect for those who aim to present content in full screen without the distraction of navigational elements at the top or bottom of the page. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily remove the header and create a cleaner, more focused look for your website page. Remember, this change will only affect the page you've adjusted, so if you'd like to remove headers from other pages, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. Customizing your Wix site to match your vision can make a significant impact on how visitors experience your work. So take your time, explore other options within the editor, and enjoy the creative process of perfecting your site design. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!